I just want to review this tripod that's been sent by K&F Concept. It's the ultralight travel tripod, and I will put the actual tripod name and number up here for the exact one. Used it a couple of times now and I'm very impressed with it. The build quality is excellent, to be honest with you. The ball head's a little bit small, but it's a ultralight travel tripod, so you've got to expect a little bit. The only probably thing I'm not quite sure on is the little handle here. I'm not quite sure on that, but it seems it locks it off all right, and works well. It's got the level head on it. So you've got a little level there. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 section legs with the 4 screw releases, and the releases work extremely well. I like it. Just quick snap of the wrist, grab them all in one go, snap of the wrist and the ball out and ready. So it's really good for that. It packs away extremely small. It folds back on itself with the middle shaft raised, folds up. Comes with a bag as well, which I've left back at the in the camper up here, and very impressed with it. Like I say, used it a couple of times. I'll tell you what we'll do is, while it's raining, because I'm waiting for this composition to come to fruition, and we're waiting for the sun to rise, and just as it's going to rise, we've got this dirty cloud coming through. So hopefully after this cloud comes through, we're going to have some nice light and it's going to be absolutely epic. But until then, it's absolutely not. So let me put the camera on and see how that camera is supported on that tripod. But I'll have to be quick because it is raining well. So let me drop you on here. Okay, so I've got a Sony A7R III with a wide angle, quite an heavy wide angle lens on. And it seems absolutely solid as a rock. Obviously there's no wind here at the moment, anything like that, so we're not getting any wind. We're on a beach. It's raining down rain at the moment, like I say, so I don't want to keep this out long, but it seems to cope with it extremely well. So I would have no problem with that, and if I did, I'd just widen the legs out and probably drop it down a bit. It does come up to an height of so high, and then I do believe it comes out again, so it literally comes up, I don't know, 1.5 meters. So that is perfect. I'm not sure if that's stable at that. It's certainly got a lot of movement in that shaft there, so I wouldn't be using that certainly on a long exposure. And then it's also got one of the legs screw off, and it's got a nice monopod leg, which I never personally use myself. I think it would be great for some sort of small hikes and things like that. Maybe if you wanted to take a tripod into London, somewhere like that, and you want to get on the tripod and do a more longer exposure shot rather than some more street photography, I think that would work really well. I'm just going to take this off because it's raining extremely heavy. I'll just dry my camera off. Okay, we'll just put that back in the bag. So I'll just fold it up for you and show you how small it actually goes down to. So just snap the legs, push it up, nice and easy. You have to get a good half a twist. They feel nice and solid, not like my feet. Feel nice and solid. And then to pack it up, obviously we can put it away like that, lovely and light, ever so light. But to pack it super small, we put the shaft up to the top, crank the legs over. Very small, lightweight, super lightweight. Lovely bit of kit. Absolutely love that. Great for a vlogger. Put his vlogging camera on there to take with him, so he's not carrying super amounts of weight. The tripod you're on is another K&F tripod. It's a light carbon fibre one. I absolutely love that as well. Take it nearly everywhere with me. There's only certain conditions I probably wouldn't use it, and that's extreme wind, where I've got a real heavy tripod for that. But if I'm walking and hiking up mountains and along beaches and things like that, I'd go for the lightweight. So yeah, K&F tripod, K&F products, not let me down yet. They're absolute superb. Right, where's the light gone? Where has that light gone? What I might do is go for a little scout, see if I can find something a little bit different, because I've got this composition. I could just drop my tripod on here and get this image, and I will put the image up when I take it shortly. I hope you enjoyed this. Like I say, have a look at the tripod if you're interested. Super bit of kit. I'll catch you guys soon.